Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off a Volkswagen Jetta. For models equipped with a traditional key ignition, simply turn the key counterclockwise until it reaches the off position. You can then remove the key from the ignition barrel. This action will completely shut down the engine and all primary electrical systems. Always confirm that all dashboard indicator lights are off to ensure a full power down. If your Jetta features a push-button start, turning it off is usually straightforward. Simply press the start-stop button once to shut down the engine. It is often helpful to ensure your foot is off the brake pedal for this action. If the engine does not immediately respond, try pressing and holding the button for approximately 3 seconds. This extended press often ensures a complete and successful power down. In a rare emergency where your Jetta's engine will not turn off, there are override procedures. For push-button models, press and hold the start-stop button firmly for at least 5 seconds. This extended press is designed to force the engine to shut down, even if there are minor electrical glitches. As an absolute last resort, and only if safe, disconnecting the vehicle's battery can cut all power, but this should be considered an extreme measure. After successfully turning off your Jetta, it is good practice to perform a few quick checks. Always ensure that all exterior lights, such as headlights and fog lights, along with interior cabin lights, are completely off to prevent battery drain. Double-check that all windows are fully closed and that the doors are securely locked. These simple steps help maintain your vehicle's battery health and overall security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.